In this video, I'll show you how to unfriend people faster in Roblox. First, open your web browser. Go to roblox.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click Friends to open your friends list. Normally, you would have to open each friend's profile individually and click Unfriend, which can take a lot of time. If you want a faster method, open Google Chrome and search for the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, search for a Roblox friend management extension that adds quick unfriend buttons to your friends list. Review the extension's ratings and permissions before installing it, then click Add to Chrome. Once the extension is installed, return to your Roblox friends list and refresh the page. If the extension supports it, you'll see an Unfriend button next to each friend, allowing you to remove friends much more quickly without opening every profile. Keep in mind that third-party browser extensions are not developed by Roblox, so only install extensions from sources you trust and review their permissions before using them. And that's how you can unfriend people faster in Roblox.